Welcome everyone. I'm come up with another activity that is same quantity. Same quantity of more and few. Few means the things which we can hold and separate easily. जिसको हम हाथों से उठा के आसानी से अलग कर सकते हैं या एक साथ कर सकते हैं, उस समय या उन चीज़ों के लिए हम फ्यू का यूज़ करते हैं, है ना. वी यूज़ द फ्यू, बट द थिंग्स विच वी कैन नॉट होल्ड और सेपरेट विथ आवर हैंड्स, ऑन दैट केस वी यूज़ लेस, जिसमें हम हाथों से उसको हटा नहीं सकते हैं, अलग नहीं कर सकते हैं, वैसे सब्सटेंस या वैसे ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए हम मोर और लेस का यूज़ करते हैं. बट जिसको हम आसानी से हटा सकते हैं, रिमूव कर सकते हैं, ऑन दैट केस वी यूज़ फ्यू, मोर एंड फ्यू. सो हेयर यू कैन सी I have 3 plates, and in of them I kept onions. Okay. In 2 plates having the same quantity, that means 4 onion and 4 onion, but the third one having the more, so we call them the lesser one, we call them few. These are few onions and this one is more onions. Okay. Keeping them side and bringing some new, more interesting objects. Can you see? 3 plates of chocolate, but only 2 are full, isn't it? 2 are full, but one having only few chocolates. See, I can hold it easily with my hands, so we call it few. Okay, 2 small plates having the more chocolates and one having the few chocolates. Here I have some more examples. Like, see, these two. Can you see? These are beautiful bangles. Isn't it beautiful bangles? In both these cases, both are equals. 6 pieces of bangles. But in this one, can you see? The box is full with bangles. So that means this case is more bangles, but these are few bangles. These box having the few and this one having the few bangles. So more and few. More and few. Now let's take the example of some leaves. Can you see? These are leaves. Yes. Now, these are also leaves, but these are less in number. So we call it few. These are few leaves. But this one having the more leaves. Isn't it? More leaves. So this is more, few. More, few. Hope you are able to understand the concept of more and few. Thank you.